So I built a customer support AI app that basically generates AI responses for all your incoming support tickets so that your customer support team can easily answer it very quick. And I built this app within 27 minutes with Riff, and this is how you can too. So the customer support app you just saw, I created that with AI and it's actually running in production right now. So that isn't half working demo, it's a legitimate tool handling real support tickets. So this is Riff, and it's designed for building AI applications that are actually ready for business use. So this platform is transforming the way people create AI tools for their jobs. So here's the problem with most AI building platforms. You spend forever fixing bugs, wasting money on tools that stay stuck in testing mode forever. So Riff solved this differently than anyone else. They combine AI with actual human expertise. So this is the service called Riff Works. And basically what you can do is you can ask a real expert to help you go from your initial idea all the way to a working product. So they help you navigate challenges and make sure what you build actually functions. So they also provide pre-built templates, customer service tools, operation dashboards, marketing systems, already customizables and ready to use. So let me show you how you can build an app from scratch with Riff. So good to mention, if that you launch your first application before November 1st, you can win unlimited Riff credits for the entire year of 2025. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build the app. I'm going to say I want to build a customer support app that gets tickets for my software company with a form. It then checks the frequently asked questions I've added, and you can generate AI answers to the tickets, so it's easy for the support team to send it out. Important is that I can add my frequently asked questions, and also I can send clear overview of all the tickets. So what it's going to do now, it's going to give me a Riff playing card where you can basically see all the features you have over here. I'm going to build an AI support ticket assistant, collect customer support tickets via form, match them against your FAQs, and generate AI-powered responses for your support team. So what are the features? Support ticket submissions, FAQ knowledge base, AI-generated response suggestions, ticket dashboard with complete overview and status tracking, one-click copy or send AI-generated responses. That looks good, so let's click build now. So now you can see it's planning, it's setting it up, it's planning the structured design in the building. So let's just wait. So it's generating a preview right now. You see in the right hand side, you see the next steps they are going to plan. So I've set up the response flow AI with initial theme and what's ready. So you see everything what's ready, and this is the available task. So the FAQ knowledge base backend, this will be logical next step since it's the foundation. Here you see the tickets, so I can say start with task 2. And later on, you can basically more customize the user interface, but now it's going to add the knowledge base backend. So you see it's creating subtasks, it creates the database, build an API. So here's everything it needs to do to create the FAQ over here. So it's already having the interface right here, but it's not working yet, I think, so it's now building it. This already looks very good. It already put a urgency tab also on the tickets. Here you can go into the code also. You see all the different codes that is generated over here. So if you are a programmer, you can actually change it up. So it's ready. The FAQ knowledge base backend would be logical next step. Now it's connecting into the API. And here's how I can add a FAQ question and an answer over here that can be used in the tickets. So it's done with task 2. It's now the FAQ knowledge base is now fully functional. So let's see. I get a for most of the time it's your internet connection. And here you see it's added to the FAQ database. So that's pretty good. What I want to do now, I want to add a form so that people can add the ticket, because you want a way to basically add the tickets to the system. So let's build that form right now. All right, do you want a separate page? So he's asking me, do you want a separate public page? Or to an answer, yeah, I want a public page. So you see, it's a conversational way to basically build a full app. So here he is doing all the different steps. So now it's done. So I think I can see it here, submit a ticket. So let's see. Forgot my password. I forgot my password. And it already added a priority system also in it, which is pretty good. So it didn't work. So let's see how it handles that. I asked if it can fix the problem, and it's fixing it now. So it's fixed right now, it said. So let's see. How do I reset my password? Yeah, all right, and it's added, and now I can see it over here, which is pretty good. So what I see right now is that it didn't add the button to create the AI generation. So what I can say is I added a ticket, but I don't see the button to generate an AI reply. Implement it in a way I can email it after approving it. So this is good. Now I need to add my OpenAI key over here. So I'm going to add that. So I got it over here, send it in, and now it's added. So whilst building, it's also good to mention is that they have a lot of different natively in the system. Think databases, think schedulers, but also integration. You can natively integrate with all these apps already, from Stripe, Slack, OpenAI to your Google stuff, to basically add that to the system. And maybe we can adding an extra layer where we send a notification to Slack if it's happening. So let's implement that later. All right, so it's done. So what we can do is generate an AI response. It's going to OpenAI ChatGPT to generate the response, I think. And here it is. The running is pretty good. So what you can do now is send an email and close. So this is basically already working. I can deploy it, and I will do that a little bit later. But let's add the Slack notification part over here. I want to have a notification in my Slack channel if a ticket comes in. Let's see what he's planning to do now. Good to mention is that we are 70 minutes in, so we already built basically the full app, which is pretty insane. All right, now you will see that I need to connect my Slack. So let's do that. So it's popping up a screen right now. I already made a test place over here. So let's do allow. So it's working right now to implementing it. So it looks like it finished the notification part. So let's make a new ticket. Say Robin, change my password. Please change my password. Submit ticket. So ticket is successfully added to the system. You can see it over here. Now let's see if I get a notification in Slack. So now it's mentioning that I need to add the bot into the channel. So let's do that. So I'm going to new channel. So I don't know what bot I need to add to the channel. So let's ask, what is the bot name I need to add? All right, the bot name is Riff. So what you see right now, and let me pop up the screen, you will see that Riff is here. See it over here. So I add him to this channel right now. So I add it, and I need to say over here that I added it to the new channel. I added the bot to new channel. Okay, now it's done. So let's see if it's working right now. I lost my password. How can I change it? How can I change my password? Submit a ticket, go to the dashboard, and here it is. I see it over here in my Slack channel. So you see the ticket, the priority. So I'm getting the notification right now. So that's working perfectly. So this is very nice. So basically I have a full working app now already. What I want to do though is I want to change the dashboard a little bit more. So it's working, it's generating the responses and everything. I would say make the user interface from the dashboard better. Let's see if it's redesigning it a little bit better now. All right, now it's done. This is much better. You can see the total tickets. So filtering, you can filter on tickets already. And here you see the open tickets. So this is pretty good. It's not ready yet, so let's wait a minute. All right, now it's done. So let's see if the filtering works. Yeah, it's changed. So now it's 1 and now it's 2. If I do change, I also see those. Yeah, it's basically working perfectly. I have the frequently asked questions. I can add frequently asked questions over here. I have the tickets over here, which can generate a response with AI, and I can send it, and it's closing it. Email sent. So yeah, basically I'm done right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy it. So we click deploy. So I need to add a name so that it's basically on my domain. I do confirm. username is set. So now click deploy, and over here you can easily say, all right, deploy it right now. It's deploying. So it is deployed. If I go to the URL right now, you will see over here that there's already a ticket in it, and it's working perfectly. I can't log into my tool. It gives a 404 error. So submit ticket. I get a Slack notification, so that's working. I go to the dashboard, I see the ticket here, I say, all right, generate with AI. So here is the answer, can send with email and it pushes it out. So that works perfectly. So just for a reminder, if you deploy your first AI agent on November, you can win an unlimited Riff credits for the entire year of 2025, and you can launch a new app basically every day. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.